And this next example is about network traffic analysis, and I'm going to have to show it to you locally because this is not something that REPL.IT will let me run on their system because it requires admin privileges to actually inspect network traffic on a device, which is a good thing, as we talked about. Not everyone should have access to inspect all network traffic. So since I am the owner and administrator of my own local machine, I can run this code here. So we start with a import, as we often do, and in this case we are importing from Scapy, which is a fantastic tool written in Python. It's very powerful. It's got a lot of network traffic analysis functionality, but we're going to use a very small subset. So I'm creating this network-traffic.py. I'm starting with an import, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to do for packet in sniff, and sniff is in this case a method on Scapy and is just sniffing on a particular network interface. And in my case, I know that I'm running on Ethernet 0 here. That's the network interface for my adapter card on my machine. And so this is a pretty low level thing. You know, it's talking to the network interface and looking at the packets in it. And it's basically the sniff, it would send back an endless stream of packets, but I'm saying, just give me 5. So this will produce, calling this method will produce a collection of 5 network packets from EN0, which is my active connection. And then here I say print, and see, I'm in a for loop, right? So I need to indent in order to execute code in the context of the for loop in Python. And I'm just gonna print the contents like this. So print, and we're going to say packet, and then we'll just add a method to convert to string. And we are going to take that packet, you know, for each packet, and we're going to have summary. And then we're going to end it by saying new line. And that's it. So now we have packet, and then the string version of the packet summary, which is just a nice little summary representation of each packet. And we're going to say new line so that each one prints on a new line. So then we go over here, and I have Python 3 locally, and then we're going to run this. Oh, here we go, I made a mistake. So let's see what it is. Ah, yes, because I'm starting the for, I need to have this colon here. And then, there we go. And then it says that this is not available. So let's take a look. We are going to run this as administrator. And there we go. And you can see the difference. Because I'm providing sudo, I am able to access the network traffic inspection functionality, and now it's giving me the packets. It's letting me use Scapy. And if I run this again, it's going to again show some packets from the top. So basically, as they're coming through the network card, it's sending me a representation of where things are connecting and what they're doing. And that is network traffic analysis using Python.